Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tech products in the market. Today, we have the GSTORY 10.1 inches portable monitor for Switch, the best portable screen for Xbox One. First up, this portable monitor expands the screen size for your Xbox One to 10.1 inches. With built-in 2WX2 speakers, it enhances your gaming experience like never before. The G-Story portable monitor requires no wiring and can be directly assembled with the Switch, ensuring perfect synchronization and lag-free gaming. While your Switch is docked to the monitor, the removable 18650 battery can charge the console simultaneously while you play. No need to remove the console for separate charging. Not just for the Switch, this portable monitor can also act as a secondary monitor for any USB device, creating a personal mobile dual-screen workstation to improve work efficiency. Compatible with Switch and Switch OLED, this monitor also includes a randomly bag for convenient portability, making it perfect for outdoor camping, cafes, and friend gatherings. In conclusion, the GSTORY 10.1 inches portable monitor for Switch is the best portable screen for Xbox One available in the market. Enhance your gaming experience with this high-quality monitor. Don't miss out on this amazing product. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.